What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop. And did you ever think that you would be able to sell a coin for more than it was actually worth? Well, if so, I want to show you a coin that is sold for thousands of dollars. Take a look. All right, guys, so here we have the 2008, and it is in mint condition. And so basically, for this specific coin, there are no errors attached to the coin. The coin itself is in mint state condition, meaning there are little to no flaws about this coin. Now, the highest grade you can get on a coin is a mint state 70. This scored a mint state 68. Guys, and that is pretty close to a 70. And so because of this coin was able to sell for record numbers. $1,900, almost $3,000 for one Lincoln cent, for one penny, guys. And so I just want to let you know that anything is possible in the coin world. And if you have a coin that is in tip-top condition, pristine condition, I want you to hold on to it and get it checked out by an expert. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Happy hunting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.